Who are the two main people we read about in the story of the Garden of Eden? Do you know your Bible? It is me, Dominic, bringing you episode 935 of Bible Trivia. Approximately how many men did Jesus feed with 5 loaves and 2 fish? If you said 5,000, you are correct. Fill in the blank. What shall a man profit if he gains the whole world but loses his... If you said soul, you are correct. Which 2 men did Jesus talk with during the Transfiguration? If you said Moses and Elijah, you are correct. And who are the 2 main people we read about in the story of the Garden of Eden? If you said Adam and Eve, you are correct.